verse number 58 from chapter 28 Al-Qasas. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa qalu in nattabi'il huda ma'aka nutakhattaf min ardina awalam numakkin lahum haraman aminan yujba ilayhi samaratu kulli shay'in rizqan min ladunna walakinna aksarahum la ya'lamun. Translation is, and they say, if we were to follow the guidance with thee, we should be snatched away from our land. Have we not established for them a safe sanctuary, to which are brought the fruits of all things, as a provision from us? But most of them know.
Is this verse applicable only to the time of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, or even today in relation to the Prophet Messiah ﷺ?
As such, read it again. Let me concentrate on this question now.
وَقَالُوا إِن نَتَّبِعِ الْهُدَى مَعَكَ نُتَخَطَّفْ مِنْ أَرْضِنَا أَوَلَمْ نُمَكِّنْ لَهُمْ حَرَمًا آمِنًا يُجْبَى إِلَيْهِ ثَمَرَاتُ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ رِزْقًا مِنْ لَدُنَّا وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Please. This verse, at least the first part of this verse, seems to be a universal phenomenon, which applies not only to the time of Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but also to the times of all earlier prophets and all who would follow, that is particularly Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa. Every time a prophet comes to a people, those people who believe, they are treated with hostility by those who do not believe. Khattaf min ardina is the gist of what happens to them. All efforts are made to pluck them out of their roots and either destroy them there or to hurl them outside their country and thus completely obliterate their presence. So one objection raised against Rasulullah ﷺ was this, by those who said, if we believe in you, this is what will happen to us. Now they are saying that this will happen to us is a positive proof that it has been happening to the followers of all prophets before. So they took their cue from this and said, you are inviting us to very dangerous proposition. If we accept it, harm will come our way. This part is applicable. But the second part is not applicable because it speaks of Baitul Haram and the surrounding areas. There people seek shelter and peace. You understand? So, this makes it a rather difficult proposition to solve. Could the Quran mean or suggest that these people should come to Baitul Haram and the surrounding areas where Arabs are not permitted to attack people who have sought shelter there? Could this mean this? If so, what about the people there within that circle who were opposing Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So this part of the verse is a bit complicated. So I'll turn to that next time we meet, inshallah. And next time we meet, you have also to translate all this because the time is over.
قد انتهى الوقت.